So the desires will never satiate. Prem will fully satiate. The difference between desire and prem is the difference between lust and love. That love is the seeking of the soul. Decide, I want to divert my mind from here to here. I will cut it out. I will not try to enjoy the senses. I will try and relish divine love. He says, if you choose to love and surrender to me, I will bestow innumerable graces, to the extent that to the saints, he is willing to become enslaved by their love and follow them. The saint goes ahead and God goes behind. So that is the nature of our eternal relative. Kripaluji Maharaj says, attach your mind at the lotus feet of Satyananda Nandan, Shri Krishna. Tu man man mani tyag re, tu man man mani tyag re.
Tu man man mani tyag re, tu man man mani tyag re.
Tu man man mani tyag re, tu man man mani tyag re.
Tu man man mani tyag re, tu man man mani tyag re.
नंद नंदन पादार विंद ते,
नंद नंदन पादार विंद ते,
नंद नंदन पादार विंद ते.
नंद नंदन पादार विंद ते.
करी ले अब अनुराग रे,
मन करी ले अब अनुराग रे,
मन करी ले अब अनुराग रे.
मन करी ले अब अनुराग रे,
अनुराग रे,
अनुराग रे,
अनुराग रे.
अनुराग रे.
तू मन मन मानी त्याग रे, तू मन मन मानी त्याग रे.
तू मन मन मानी त्याग रे, तू मन मन मानी त्याग रे.
तू मन मन मानी त्याग रे, तू मन मन मानी त्याग रे.
तू मन मन मानी त्याग रे, तू मन मन मानी त्याग रे.
Now he says, give up the desires of your senses. These senses, what do they seek? Their objects. What does the tongue want? Delectable items to relish. What is the harm in relishing? There is no harm. The problem with these desires of the senses is that it never stops. It says, okay, if I can only get that, then the desire will be gone. Then you get that, then say, now if I can get this, then the desire will be gone. Then it comes again. It is like one man, he went to an antique shop. So the shopkeeper had on display various antiques and curios. They were all valued between $15 to $500. And there was a pad. Label was magic pad. And the value, the label said $20,000. The customer said to the shopkeeper, "Why is a simple pad worth $20,000? The shopkeeper said, "Sir, this is a magic pad. Whatever you desire, it will fulfill. It will give you back so much." I said, "Really? Worth trying, who knows? It may be magic pad." So he paid the $20,000 and took the pad home. And he put it on his altar. "This will fulfill all my desires." He said, "Mr. Magic Pad, Shri Magic Pad Bhai, please give me $1 million. The magic pad started speaking. It said, $1 million, definitely. But why don't you ask for $2 million? He said, "Yeah, this magic pad is so intelligent. It is guiding me what to do. Why should I limit myself?" So he said, "Okay, Shri Magic Pad Bhai, give me $2 million. The magic pad responded, "Why $2 million? Why not $4 million? He said, "That is also a valid point. Magic pad, give me $4 million. So the magic pad said, $4 million? Why don't you ask for $8 million? Now he started suspecting that what is this he doing? Anything I say, he doubles it. So he said, "Okay, give me $8 million. So the magic pad said, "Why $8 million? Why not $16 million? He took the magic pad and trashed it. It does nothing. Only keeps doubling whatever I'm asking for. Such is the nature of the desires of the senses. They are very alluring. They are very promising. But the little known secret is, "Na jatu kamaha kamanam upabhogena shamyati havisha krishnavartameva bhuya eva bhivardhate." These desires will never be extinguished by their fulfillment. If they could, problem would be solved. It's like, we get an itch and then we scratch. Chalo, chutti mili. But it doesn't solve the problem, because then it comes here, then it comes here, then it comes here, then it comes here. And if ever we develop the self-control to stop, for a little while there'll be pain and then it'll go away. Likewise is the case with these desires. If you just bear them for a little while, they will increase in trouble and then decrease. So what he's saying is, reject them. खूब तरसाया है तेरी ख्वाहिशों ने ही तुझे. One Kavi says, they've always made you thirst. खूब तरसाया है तेरी ख्वाहिशों ने ही तुझे, अब तू भी इन ख्वाहिशों को कुछ तरसती ही छोड़ दे. Now you let them thirst. And instead, you drink the divine ambrosia of prem. So the desires will never satiate. Prem will fully satiate. The difference between desire and prem is the difference between lust and love. That love is the seeking of the soul. So decide, I want to divert my mind from here to here. I will cut it out. I will not try to enjoy the senses. I will try and relish divine love. And when you start getting that relish, you say, this is so nice. It doesn't create an addiction. Have you ever heard of somebody being addicted to prem? No, You become addicted to the senses, to alcohol, etc., etc., not to prem because it's perfectly fulfilling.